name is Calli Brannan with the Michigan State University Extension Office in Wayne County. Today we're making tabbouleh, and this recipe is courtesy of Cooking Matters by Shiara Strength. For more information, please visit cookingmatters.org.
Remember to wash your hands and all produce before preparing food. Dice 1 large tomato. Slice 3 whole green onions. Dice 1 cucumber. You can start by slicing it in half and scooping out the seeds with a spoon if they're extra large. Then slice in half again and dice. Slice 1 cup of fresh parsley. Prepare 1 cup of bulgur wheat according to directions, and then combine all of your chopped veggies and your cooked bulgur wheat. Mix to combine. Add 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, ¾ teaspoons of salt, a pinch of paprika, and 2 tablespoons canola oil. Mix to combine and enjoy!
Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. We would love to hear your feedback through the survey link in the show notes.